Hi guys! If you see something and you think you can make it simple, just do it. I already have many Apex utilities in my collection.
In this short session, I will demonstrate to you next topics. Upload Excel file rows into interactive grid, import rows from Excel into interactive grid as a copy-paste operation, and additional user-friendly functionality with shortcut keys that contain copy, paste, duplicate all type of records and cells. So let's start from uploading Excel file demonstration. In this demo, we have employees data. Let's say we need to insert employees from an external application. First of all, let's see the employee entity columns data types. We have standard number, text, also select list, pop-up LOV, multi-value checkbox, and date field with calendar. Okay, let's upload the file with rows into interactive grid using the exported Excel file as a sample data template. I will show you later how simple it is to prepare the Excel file by using an exported file as a sample. For this demonstration, in the first row I have entered two invalid values on purpose, row and department. Okay, let's upload the file with the rows. After the rows are inserted successfully, we have detailed indication of invalid data in specific columns. Let's fix it. Now, when all rows and cells are valid, let's save the uploaded data into database. So we have seen a generic data import into interactive grid with existing data validation. Now let's see a similar functionality, but this time we will copy and paste data from Excel through clipboard.
The same operation can be done just by clicking CTRL+C, CTRL+V.
Okay, now let's see how easily you can copy, paste, duplicate all type of records and cells using shortcut keys. Copy phone number, copy or duplicate from above select list value, also multi-value checkbox and date.
In original interactive grid version, you have to enter values manually.
Similar functionality is demonstrated in additional interactive grid sample. Insert new record,
Duplicate record,
translate and convert text into pop-up LOV column. Now let's take a look at how easy it's to prepare the upload Excel file by using an exported file as a sample. Use the standard download menu option. Uploaded data must be in the same format as in an exported file. This section is for technical specialists that need to generate random data in specific predefined format. Using this site, I have generated rows for our sample. So, in conclusion, This functionality is very useful and valuable for enterprises, big companies, or systems with complex Apex applications, especially organizations that are making the migration from Oracle Forms reports to Apex. Please feel comfortable to contact me for detailed information and how to implement this generic functionality.
Best regards, Alex Bershtansky.